Hi everyone, if you open Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and click on General option. Here, if you go to iPhone storage, you will notice that the system data is taking huge amount of space and you may wonder what exactly is stored there and how you can get rid of it. So system data can include things like cache files, logs, temporary files and other resources used by iOS and apps. While most of these stored data are managed automatically, but some of them are temporary files that you can easily delete using few methods. Now the first thing you can try is enabling offload unused apps. So there are so many apps on your iPhone that you are not using continuously, and that's why you should enable offload unused apps. So on the settings page, scroll down to bottom and click on apps. Within this section, find App Store and click on it. Now just find offload unused apps option and turn on the toggle right to it. So this allows your iPhone to remove unused apps while keeping their document and data saved so that whenever you want to use again, you can easily use that app without losing their necessary data, and that will also help you to free up some temporary storage. Next, within the app section, find Safari within the list of apps and then click on it. Now on the Safari settings page, scroll down and click on Clear History and Website Data. Now select all history, all profiles, and you should also turn on the toggle right to close all tabs, then click on Clear History. Similarly, whatever browser you are using, just clear all data and history. Apart from this, you should also check for the apps that are taking too much storage on your iPhone. So just go to Settings app, click on General option, then go to iPhone Storage, and within this section, you can find all the apps that are taking too much storage. Now to clear unnecessary and temporary files of that, you can use offload app feature. Just click on offload app option and again click on offload app when the confirmation appear. Now after offloading, just reinstall the app. Now wait for a while. This will just remove some extra files and unnecessary data from the app. You don't even need to relog into the app and the app size will automatically decrease. Now at the end, if an app like Facebook provides its own option to clear its cache, so if you are frequently using that app, then open the app, go through the settings and privacy option. Within this section, find an option to clear cookies and data and then click on clear option. So after trying these methods, give your iPhone a little time to recalculate its iPhone storage and you will surely see some improvement. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.